at this. This is awesome. Wow. Got a big school, eh?
Oh, there's the school. Oh, there's the sign that says hostel.
Yes.
Alright.
Interesting. Okay, that was Middelpos. Well, today we're leaving the Middelpos area and we're heading in the direction of the Tankwa Karoo National Park. I'm really excited because we're going to be going down the Gannaga Pass, which is a gravel road pass. Really excited to go that way. And we're heading straight for Zwartkop, which is a farm in the heart of the Tankwa Karoo. This whole trip's going to be about 192 kilometers.
Only 1 mile as far as I can see.
Yep. Hello ladies and gentlemen. See this truck, it looks like it's delivering fuel of some sort. But apparently yesterday they ran out of diesel at Middelpos and the truck broke down and there were people impatient waiting for diesel and stuff like that, but fortunately I got it at Middelpos
Late yesterday afternoon,
yeah. Yes.
That's another stop they said we must make.
Gannaga Lodge.
Yeah. Do you remember?
Yes. Yeah.
It looks like a few vehicles might have gotten stuck here.
Stuck here for sure, eh?
Thank heavens for our timing.
Yeah. It's dry. This little car is amazing, eh?
You just can't get over there.
Yeah. Sheep on this road, so be careful.
So the other side, that fence is Tankwa Karoo National Park.
That's what it looked like, that one sign said over the back there, but I'm not 100% sure. Tankwa Karoo National Park. I can't drone.
No. Stop. Office hours.
7:30 till 5. So the travelling times
seems to be from 5:30 in the morning till 7.
At night, yeah.
Right?
From the 1st of October till the 31st of March. And from the 1st of April till 30 September, it's from 6:30 in the morning till 6 at night.
Right.
Okay.
I'm assuming that we are now in the park.
We're in the park now.
Apparently the view, it's of that plateau escarpment. I don't know what the correct terminology is.
Wow.
Beautiful.
It is, eh? Wow, look at that.
Yeah. That's the view that the lady spoke about.
This is pretty, Gannaga Lodge, eh?
Yeah, very nice.
Wow.
Pity we don't have time, eh?
Yeah, unfortunately. Beautiful, eh?
What you mean? What do you know that I don't?
I think this is the pass, the Gannaga Pass. There it starts.
There's a Gannaga Pass?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know if I like the tone in your voice.
Look at that. Look at that. Stunning. You can see forever.
You can, eh? Look at all those roads in the far distance.
Crazy. Okay, let's do the Gannaga Pass.
Is this the one where the lady in Williston said, will test my nerves?
Yes.
I'm going to reserve judgment. I'm chill.
But if I look at how it zigzags down on the map,
Yes.
it must be pretty exciting.
Exciting is an interesting choice of words.
Wow. Oh.
Oh, that's quite a ways down.
That is beautiful, eh? Wow, that is beautiful.
Is that where we will travel still
Yes.
there? See
Yeah.
the car there?
Yeah, it's coming up.
Beautiful, eh?
Wow.
Shall we move a little to the right?
I have to catch that though. This is incredible, eh? Wow, I have to get out here.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is awesome. Wow. Here we go. Yeah, look at these rocks, how this is shaped, eh? Look at this. Very interesting.
Incredible.
Yeah. Wow. Switch back. Whoa, look how the water washed this out. And the whole side of this cliff here.
But can we just go?
I'm going. I'm just looking. Wow. This is amazing. Look how down there. Wow. This is beautiful, eh?